Hello friends, welcome to Share Knowledge. Today I will show you how to check dump, in which table dump stored, and third, how to delete dump from system. Okay, so let's start.
SAP videos, click on subscribe button and click on also bell icon so you can never miss any update, and it's free. Please like, share and subscribe.
First of all, for checking the dump, you have to enter the T code ST22. Okay, this is a SAP Runtime Error, means it's called dump in SAP Consultancy language. Okay, here you can show two tabs, one today and the second is yesterday, means today's system dump 2 and the yesterday system dump 4. Okay, and here also you can check another options like filter. If you want to day before yesterday's dump, then you can filter and run. Okay, here you can find you can check runtime error, edit, go options, system and help option. Okay, now this is the T code of checking dump, or also you can call SAP runtime error. Okay, now if you want to check runtime statistics, means okay, if you want to check runtime statistics, then ST22, here you can check statistics. Statistics means what is the current situation of the dump table. Okay, so today 2, yesterday 4, total 74, and what is the size of this table. And I also told what is the table of dump. The table of dump name is SNAP. Okay, now you can back. Now how to delete this table, or also how to delete the record of the table. Okay, there are 3 ways for deleting these entries. First, you have to check reorganize. In reorganize, SAP ST22 T code have a default setting older than 7 days dump. So here you can also delete this dump. The second option, SAP gave a standard program ST22. Okay, no, sorry, SA38. In SA38 you can find this program RSS NAPDL. Here you can execute. After execute, you will get 3 options: maximum entries to be kept, entry which can be deleted, storage days. If you select 1, 2 and execute, then only 1 to 2 days entries will be deleted from the systems. Okay, this is the second way. And what is the third way? But third way, SE14. Okay, here you can enter table name SNAP. I also mentioned in SNAP table is a storage of the SAP runtime error. Okay, here you just drop the table, delete database table, and click. After 2 to 3 minutes, all dump will be cleared from the SNAP table. Okay, and your table will be like fresh or 0 entries. So this is a simple steps for SAP dump deletion. I hope you like this video. If like, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.